Good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome again sa isa na naman po nating episode ng Ani Kwentuhan. We have our special guest, Miss Katrina. Hello!
Hi, Lanel.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Yeah, thank you for having me here.
Sure.
Okay, so by the way, my name is Katrina Ann Rivera. You can call me Cathy for short. And I'm the Business Development Manager for University of Niagara Falls, Canada. Also, yung school namin, located siya in downtown Ontario.
Alright. And the reason why, guys, same thing, same reason kung bakit natin ginagawa yung segment na to is for our students na gustong mag-aral sa Canada, especially studying master's programs, lalo na yung mga may gustong isamang dependent. So, malalaman nyo ano yung mga opportunities, benefits, and of course, ilo-look forward ninyo once you are already enrolled as a student sa University of Niagara Falls, Canada. The first question that I have here is, syempre, bilang student, gusto nating malaman kung ano yung mga courses. So, what are the courses or what courses are offered in University of Niagara Falls, Canada?
Yeah, that's a good question, no? So here in UNF, or University of Niagara Falls, Canada, we offer 3 master's programs. So we have Masters of Management, 18 months ang duration ng lahat ng master's program namin dito, with 2 specialization, emerging technology and entrepreneurship. Also, we have Masters of Data Analytics. So for Masters of Data Analytics, 18 months program duration, students who has a bachelor's degree holder of computer-related courses, finance and management or business management can definitely take that program.
Okay.
And for the last program that we have Masters of Digital Media and Global Communications. So with that, any bachelor's degree holder in any field can definitely take that program since it focuses on digital marketing, social media advertising, and so forth.
Alright. So guys, by the way guys, yung mga na-mention ni Miss Katrina na mga programs, abangan nyo din kasi we will be having a specific program discussion para malaman nyo, kapag nag-aral ako ng ganitong program, ano ba yung mga opportunities na pwede nyong makuha? Kasama na dyan, syempre, yung magiging monthly salary, ano-ano yung mga trabaho na pwede nyong makuha if kinuha nyo tong program na to sa University of Niagara Falls, and of course, natapos nyo yung program. So, abangan nyo yan, guys. Magkakaroon pa tayo ng further discussions. Anytime this month, we will announce our webinar schedule together with Miss Katrina pa din, syempre. And next question, are internships or co-op programs available as part of the curriculum?
Yes, definitely naman. Every last term or second year, yung program naman sa master's program is nag-offer ng internship.
Okay.
So we have naman, and we will further discuss it on our specific program webinar.
So we can now proceed with our next questions. Focus naman ang question natin is regarding sa financial and administrative questions.
Okay.
All right. So tuition and fees. What are the tuition fees and additional costs associated with the program? Are there any hidden fees that the student should be aware of?
Yeah. That's a good question, no? So for our tuition fee, nag-range lang siya from 28,000 CAD up to 35,000 CAD for our master's program. Okay, so for hidden fee, we don't have it. Since we don't require the student or hindi namin kailangan ng application fee. Okay, so to give you a brief background also, ang kailangan lang namin kay student is tuition deposit sila ng up to 3,000 CAD. And then yung half or yung first year, payable siya before the class starts.
Okay.
And for the second year naman, pwede niya nang bayaran yun pag nasa Canada na siya. So very flexible ang payment scheme ng mga programs namin.
Alright, that's really great to hear. And actually, dun sa tuition fee nyo na yon, I believe sinama na ni Miss Katrina yung scholarship.
Yeah,
No?
we do have an entrance scholarship which is automatically deducted sa tuition fee ng students. So all of our scholarship, dinededuct siya, or it will be reflected on the second term and will be deducted on the third term. Okay. So
Alright.
as long as the student could maintain yung grade niya.
Siyempre, dapat naman pinaghihirapan natin yung scholarship na marireceive natin.
Yeah.
And guys, isa sa mga dapat yung i-look forward, no? Kasi kung mag-aaral kayo ng diploma or certificate program, yung tuition fee nyo is almost
Yeah.
the same, minsan more than pa nga. At the same time, hindi nyo agad makakasama ang inyong dependents or spouse. Dito sa ino-offer ng UNF, since they are offering a master's degree program, automatic guys, pwede nyo makasama ang inyong dependents.
That's right. Okay, so actually yung mga programs namin dito, yung master's program namin, ka-range lang namin ng tuition for yung mga diploma or
Yeah,
certificate programs. To add on it, you can also bring yung spouse, common law partner nyo, or even dependents.
For now, the final question is campus facilities. What facilities are available on campus? Are there any special amenities or services offered to students?
Yeah, for that, we have student lounge. So wherein the students can connect and collaborate with other international students. We also have libraries
Okay.
and learning resources, and most of all, easily accessible sa urban centers ang aming university. Kasi 2 to 3 minutes walking distance lang siya from our school papunta sa transport system namin, which is yung connecting sa bus and train station ng USA and Canada. So all cities in Canada and sa USA can definitely access there. Also sa
Oh.
border, ano lang siya, 5 to 10 minutes away lang siya sa border or
Yeah.
sa upstate New York.
Yun. So
Okay.
kung gusto nyo rin mamasyal, there's an opportunity for them to visit the United States since yun nga, sobrang lapit
Sobrang
lang ng
lapit lang
border.
niya. Tsaka, lastly is 20 minutes walking distance lang siya sa Niagara Falls, which is the number 1 tourist
Yes,
destination in
correct.
Canada. So, mararelax talaga si student and hindi siya magiging masyadong stressful.
Alright. Thank you so much, Miss Katrina. And again, guys, pasilip pa lamang po ito sa mga dapat yung malaman or madiscover kapag kayo ay mag-aaral sa University of Niagara Falls, Canada. Abangan nyo po yung mga susunod pa po naming webinars. But again, this is Anicon Tuhan with Miss Katrina. Before we end, do you have any activities, events that you want to promote? Miss Katrina, please feel free to promote.
Yeah, for our upcoming events, we will let you know since madami talaga siya, no? So, but for now, I would like to take this opportunity na alamin nyo kung ano yung meron sa University of
Yes.
Niagara Falls, Canada. Because with Anicon, we're here to help and to support you in every step of the way.
Alright, thank you
Thank
so much
you.
guys. So, again, we are looking forward po sa inyong mga inquiries and also, we are looking forward to assist you with your application. Build a better future with Anicon and build a better future in the University of Niagara Falls, Canada. Thank you so much guys and have
Bye,
a great day.
guys.